Is it filming? Hi, Jodi. We're at Jodi's bus today. She's holding the camera, so, you know, whatever happens, happens, people. This is it. Anyways, well, last video, you'll remember that Jodi was going on her second camping trip, I think, in the bus. So we're in a mad dash. We didn't film a lot of stuff. So I wanted to just show you a few of the things that that she got done before she left on that camping trip. So this is the first thing I'm going to show you. Turn you around. And this jackknife sofa was, she bought that at, brand new at a camper store. But the bus, when she got it, they had this existing track in here that they just did this flooring. This is the flooring that the people she bought the bus from had put in there. So, and left that, and it was a good idea because it's in good shape, but this track was showing. So since it was showing, it was just a good idea to might as well use it. And it was simple because it came with these supports and everything anyway. So she's got, it's all open underneath there, but which is fine. It's good for however you want to use it underneath, whether you use containers or whatever. And then it is a jackknife sofa, so it does pull out and makes into a bed. And so far, have you used it? Has anybody slept on it yet? No, so not yet, but I'm sure they will. So we'll let you know how that goes too eventually. But okay. Next exciting thing I wanted to show you was Patrick had put in this sliding drawer for her, and Jodi had found these with the locking. What do you call it? Just locking. They just locked.
Locking slide.
Yeah, the locking slide. So, it was, first he put it on wood, and then, what do you cover it with after the fact?
Paint.
Oh, just paint?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were going to, I was thinking there was, tin or something on there, not like you needed it. No, but he did add this block back here, and that holds her fridge in there, and it works really nice. She said it works great. It's up, makes it up a little bit higher, and so pulling it out, and then it locks. So, you know, people are wandering around or whatever. You know, it just makes it easy to get into it and use it as the fridge is both a fridge and a freezer. You can do it. You can do it however you want to do that. So you can do one side as a freezer, one side as a fridge, or make the whole thing a freezer and make the whole thing a fridge.
And this thing comes out.
Yeah, these just pop out so she can take them in the house and load them up. So for her purposes for now, it's working awesome. Loving this thing. What's this brand name? Bodega. It wasn't a cheap thing, and it's but it's been pretty fabulous for you, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Freeze is great. Refrigerate's great. It has the 12 volt or the 110 connection.
Yeah,
so,
that's super nice too.
Yeah.
So either way, you're good.
Yeah.
Okay. Jodi's gonna put the fridge back on the side so you can see how that works. So nice. It's got a nice long cord on it.
Yeah.
So she can zip tie the cord if she wants to, you know, get a lot of that out of the way. But Scott just put in that 12 volt for her too. So for that, so this releases the catch. Patrick put a little handle on there for her. So that's what it does, and it just slides in, and it stays there while she's traveling. Nice.
Yep.
Yeah. So.
There we go.
Oh, there. Okay, gotta fight with it a little bit.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay. Well, the last thing I wanted to show you was this wonderful floor. Now, this after using it the first time, that black tank, it was meant to put the toilet on top and just be there like that. but it was too
A little,
wobbly. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's too soft. Yeah.
And use caution when
Yeah.
sitting down. Do your business.
Yeah. So Patrick put this. Where'd you find that?
Oh gosh, it was from it's Al Wynn here in Randolph.
Oh.
They do metal, all sorts of metal and welding. Great people.
So you had the piece cut. Patrick added it on top of the tank, and he caulked all the way around it, nice and sealed, good. And the plumbing, did Scott do that plumbing before?
Yep.
After the floor was in?
No, he did before.
Yeah. How did he get that around there? Then he
He
pieced
did,
it.
Patrick. He was awesome. Yeah, yeah.
He had to piece it.
Yep.
Looks
No,
like.
he cut it.
Oh. Did you have to take it apart then? To put it back in there?
This one? Yeah.
Oh, I see what he did.
Yeah.
He's got a little U-cut in there. I get it. Yeah, but it's still super nice job. Doesn't look, you really have to look for it. So, yeah, but this is, and you know, she's got this Harley theme going on. So if you're wondering why you have all this metal and yeah, and we'll show you all that stuff eventually too. But she's got some real cool things going on this is really quite a customized bus for her. So, okay. Scott's going to put the drain assembly together today. And we're going to finish this trim on the outside of this cabinet here. You got this storage bin up there above in the bedroom. And created this little nook. It's a charging station or whatever else they might need it for. Right next to the bed. So I'm gonna cut this trim piece for this in front here and get that done. Patrick is going to do the slides for the fridge, which is gonna go in that spot right there. And we're just going to continue working on everything else that we got trying to finish up here. Leaving for camping in this in 5 days. Yeah, so it's not going to be done, obviously, but she'll at least be more usable than last time she took it camping. So, yeah, upper storage. So tickled pink how this is turning out. I just am loving it. There's something to be said about when you've done a bus previously. It gives you a lot insight on things you might need. And we've also added a whole lot more of the little lights too. So we'll see. I'll show you some more later. You just don't worry about it. We don't know. It's time to ride. Our tank we had made for us is gonna go somewhere in Jodi's bus. Yeah. Not sure how much more we're going to do today. He's got the faucet in. Still need a shut-off valve for underneath here. Otherwise, and they're just going to have this drain into a container, whatever she gets for that. The toilet's pretty much solved. I think he needs a shut-off for this though also. Jodi wanted this left open for, I don't know, but the vent pipe is running through here, so we had to enclose this for it, but kind of running out of paneling too, so we had to scrap a few pieces in there, but it's a bus. I guess it's not perfect, so this is all done now. The front of this cabinet where the fridge is going to go below here, and so the front of that is paneled, and this is just going to be for whatever kind of storage she decides she's going to do in here, shelving or hanging closet, or I don't know, food storage or whatever she ends up doing. And then this side towards the bedroom again. That's so I think the cowling is ready to go back on the air conditioner, but maybe they're going to do the ceiling first. I'm not sure. I think Jodi and Patrick are going to do that. And yeah, so man, they are with the caulk, the feet. I think he's using self-up. What are you doing?
I'm the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown.
That's right. And what is he doing, Pumpkin Man?
Sealing up some holes outside with some Dicor.
Yay. So the last quick thing I wanted to talk about was Scott put this put the sink in for her. He just turned the bowl upside down, marked it, and then cut it out with some, used a 1-inch hole hole saw, and just to get the edge going, and then took a jigsaw and went all the way around it, set it in there. Used a hole saw for this was on purpose to just have the one hole there so it's not three, like you have sometimes in sinks. You have the hot and cold, and then the faucet part of it. But no, this is all connected, and that was on purpose. They're a little pricey too, but it's worth it. And she's got this nice extension on there so she can get water wherever she needs it. And then he put together the drain assembly. It's no big deal, but it's just all it's separate from the bowl and stuff. You got to do all of that. And then underneath, it just connected.
A bit of water in there.
Yeah, well, that's okay. That's what it's supposed to have. Just connected with just a straight pipe down here, so there's no reason to put in a U-drain or any of that stuff, but because it just goes straight into this 5-gallon bucket, and Jodi just empties that, but she's not had any problem with that either. It's just working very well.
We have to cut this down a little bit.
Probably.
It's too long.
Yeah, it's too long. And those are things you figure out when you use it. Yeah. So wait, let me get the rest of the. Sorry. So that's all right. And then you can kind of see the ends of the hot and the cold that come in here, and this is that belongs to the faucet. So, but that's it. That has to be underneath here. So the rest she can use. Oh, look at that. The rest she can. Yay, Pody. The rest she can use for storage and that kind of thing. So there's actually a lot of room underneath here. She did use just unfinished cabinets from Menards of all places, just because we could go and pick them up. And that's exactly what she did. And once we figured out how much room we had from here to here, and so these are all just her the cabinets. She had them painted by our niece, who does painting of redoes cabinets and that kind of thing. So she was gracious enough to do that for Jodi. So we yeah. And then Mom, look at my mother. She's my mother too. I was with her when she bought this too. Wouldn't Jodi think that was funny? She told me. I said, oh yeah, she will.
And then that's from that.
Oh yeah. Another one. Alcohol, because no good story ever started with eating a salad. Anyways.
Yeah. One day while we were sitting around eating salad. No, that's not
No,
how it goes.
that isn't how it goes. Oh, alrighty, well, on to the next.